皆さんこんにちは. Welcome to Learn Japanese with An Academy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese idioms. Learning these idioms will not only enhance your language skills, but also help you sound more like a native speaker. Also, if you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our lessons. Let's get started. 始めましょう. 自業自得. 自業自得. Our first idiom is 自業自得. It means you reap what you sow or getting what you deserve. This idiom is often used to express the idea that one's actions have consequences. For example, 彼は何度も警告を無視していたので、罰を受けたのは自業自得だ. He ignored the warnings multiple times, so his punishment is self-inflicted. 弱肉強食. 弱肉強食. Our next idiom is 弱肉強食. It means survival of the fittest or the strong prey upon the weak. This idiom describes a situation where the stronger or more powerful dominate the weaker. ビジネスの世界は弱肉強食だ. The business world is survival of the fittest. 猿も木から落ちる. 猿も木から落ちる. Our next idiom is 猿も木から落ちる. It means even monkeys fall from trees. This phrase is often used to express that even experts or highly skilled people can make mistakes sometimes. 彼はプロのサッカー選手だけど、今日は簡単なミスをした。猿も木から落ちるね. He's a professional soccer player, but he made an easy mistake today. Even monkeys fall from trees. 朝飯前. 朝飯前. Next idiom is 朝飯前. It literally means before breakfast, but it's used to describe something that's so easy it can be done before having breakfast. この問題を解くのは朝飯前だ. Solving this problem is a piece of cake. 猫の手も借りたい. 猫の手も借りたい. Next we have 猫の手も借りたい. This means so busy that even a cat's paw will be helpful, describing a situation where you're extremely busy and would take any help you can get. For example, 今日は猫の手も借りたいほど忙しい. I'm so busy today that I would even ask for a cat's help. 一期一会. 一期一会. Next we have 一期一会. It means once in a lifetime encounter. This idiom emphasizes the importance of treasuring each moment and meeting as it may never happen again. For example, この出会いを大切にしよう. 一期一会だね. Let's cherish this encounter. It's a once in a lifetime meeting. 口は災いのもと. 口は災いのもと. Next we have 口は災いのもと. It translates to the mouth is the root of misfortune, meaning that careless words can lead to trouble. 気をつけて話さないと. 口は災いのもとだ. Be careful when you speak. Loose lips sink ships. 七転び八起き. 七転び八起き. Next we have 七転び八起き. It means fall 7 times, stand up 8, representing resilience and persistence through challenges. 失敗しても大丈夫. 七転び八起きだ. Even if you fall, it's okay. Get back up again. 一石二鳥. 一石二鳥. Our next idiom is 一石二鳥. It means killing 2 birds with 1 stone. This phrase is used to describe a situation where you accomplish 2 things with a single action. For example, 散歩しながら買い物も済ませた. 一石二鳥だね. I got some shopping done while taking a walk. 2 birds with 1 stone. 三日坊主. 三日坊主. Our next idiom is 三日坊主. It literally translates to a monk for 3 days, and it is used to describe someone who starts something with enthusiasm but quickly loses interest and gives up. For example, 彼のダイエットは三日坊主で終わった。His diet ended after just a few days. 以心伝心。以心伝心。Our next idiom is 以心伝心. It means telepathy or communicating through mutual understanding without words. This idiom suggests that people can understand each other's thoughts and feelings without the need for verbal communication. 長年の友人とは以心伝心で何も言わなくても気持ちが通じる。With a long-time friend, you can understand each other's feelings without saying anything. That's all for today. Now you know some useful Japanese idioms that are commonly used among Japanese speakers. To really master these phrases, we highly recommend you to watch the video multiple times to practice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for learning Japanese with An Academy. I'll see you guys in the next video. ではまた。